at me. Bro, I'm supposed to get them. Alright, this one is a challenge. If you know this one, if you're familiar with this, I need you to help me out. I want you to sing along if you know the words to this song. And if you don't know this song, do me a favor, just move your mouth up and down. Come on. What you gonna do? Slam a door, break a glass, or pass out on the kitchen floor with your naked ass? Or take time to hate me, cause basically I'm overbooked, no emotional vacancy. Complacency seems so simple, like fuck it, let me be the one you fight and call Mr. Right. It's an addiction bound to stick around. A junkie won't bounce till he hits the ground. And these drugs ain't good as we wish they were. This buzz doesn't keep us from missing her. That love that built all of the emphasis, built enough guilt to kill Electra and Oedipus. It's easier to leave it there. Each time I see the tears, makes me need a beer to relieve the fear. I gotta keep a clear sky, fly away like a meteor. Out of here, maybe next year. I say, hey there, we don't play fair. We can't stay here. I hope you take care. I say, hey there, we don't play fair. We can't stay here. I hope you take care. I say,
troubles all around me, day by day.
What you say, Texas?
Troubles all around me, day by day.
Sometimes y'all make me feel like such a prick. Even I'm convinced I'm the one that's sick. You get fussing, bitch. You can cut your wrist, or you can choke on the blood from the tongue you bit. And when you act it up, believe I blessed you back. I got a lot of best friends can attest to that. I'm returning this Bleeding Hearts Club membership card, cause I want no motherfucking part of it. We're just two dogs on all fours. It's a tug of war of who loves who more. Blame it on tour or locked bathroom doors. Or maybe it's cause my voice is louder than yours. I'll be damned if I do this for forever. Everybody looking at me like I don't know better. Instead I gotta run if I'm ever gonna forget it. Cause I've always been a go-getter. Go-getter, say hey there. We don't play fair. We can't stay here. I hope you take care. I say hey there. I need some plain fare. I can't stay here. I hope you take care. I say
Troubles all around me, day by
Texas,
day.
what do you say?
Troubles all around me, day by day.
Now I got a head full of better off dead. I followed down those steps and slept in the wrong bed. If I had a breath of self-respect left, I'd set fire to the box spring, helping catch wreck. Let these ashes represent the mattress. Director left the set, but nobody told the actress. Is she still acting if we schedule the practice? My soundtrack is compromising her theatrics. You remind me of me. It's not a compliment. Get your song on. Who you trying to be? I got no tolerance for that drama. Nah. You would like to go free. Jump off your fence and let your claws out. Now, you remind me of me. Run from all of them.